I feel like it's kind of dark. Okay, hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my friend Erin, who came down to help me completely redo my beauty room, declutter. We are like in the middle of it all.
We are on hour 7.
Probably more hours than that. It's already like 5.
Hour 7. We've been going at this since 9 a.m. Oh, okay, maybe 8.
Okay, so yeah, it's pretty bad. So I haven't filmed all of it, but there's some of the portions that we've been decluttering I'm not going to do like actual videos on. So I just kind of want to give y'all like a overview of everything we're doing. So I'm kind of oldly. This is my normal film setup. And then we have giveaway boxes up over here, and we're going to be actually starting to do giveaways with different, let me turn a light on over here so y'all can actually see, with different shades and stuff like that. And then we have decluttered already a bunch of the drawers, so like the lip drawers are all clear right now, and we're just going like one at a time. So got trash bags, got stuff for friends, family, donations. We just kind of got everything here. And I wish that it was right over here, but it's not. So sorry for the low quality, but so we don't have these in a trash can because they're trash or anything. It's just that we just like put them in something to transport them onto the floor. And so now we're doing basically like single eyeshadows, glitters, all kind of stuff like that. Yeah, paint pots that may be old or may not be old.
Something that I want to point out to everyone too. Everything for back to MAC. If you take 6 empty MAC products, you get a free lipstick, lip gloss, or eyeshadow. So we have
lots of bags
of back MAC.
Okay, so be thinking about us. The lighting in this video is going to suck, so I'm sorry, but I don't know what that sound was. But I just want to give y'all the real journey. Like, we're in here in t-shirts and sports bras, digging through stuff to separate for giveaways, friends, family, keeping, donations, things that are expired.
Let me pull out my YouTube minute. If you would like to see us keep decluttering, just keep watching.
Okay, so right now this is what we are looking at. Thought it'd be great to do a really big old thumbnail of all my eyeshadow palettes. You really getting me while I have pajamas on and mixed match socks. Okay, well, Erin thinks it's funny to record me looking like this with my 2 socks on. All right, we're about to do this. So this is the box that I'm keeping, and then we have some friends, donations and stuff over here. And now we're working on foundations. Ugh. These are like my most used foundations. My favorite foundation, which I actually have purchased every single one but one. One was sent to me in PR, and it's actually a repeat shade of my actual shade. But these, the NARS Long Wear Radiant Foundation is my all-time favorite foundation. And then I also really like the Too Faced Born This Way right here. I don't know why this is not focusing. And then I do like some of the Dior foundations too, and Estee Lauder. Estee Lauder and NARS are like my all-time favorite 2 foundations. So I'm making a little pile of foundations that I get to keep. Foundations is like my weakness because I buy so many, but honestly, I never freaking get them to match me. So yeah. Also at this point, it's like, what time is it? It's like 8. We've been doing this since maybe like 10 o'clock this morning, so it's kind of exhausting, but good at the same time. I'm just really excited to have everything looking neat and clean and not like a hoarding mess, you know? So yeah, what I think I'm gonna do is like declutter, and then once we put everything back in, I'm hoping to declutter more. It's just, I haven't done this before, so it's like, you know, stressful and hard at the same time. What time is it now? This is what I currently look like.
Wait, hold on.
Snow,
we've been at this for over 11 hours.
Okay. No, I think almost 12. Well, I don't know. Anyways, I look like crap, but we're showered, thank goodness, because it was getting to a point where it wasn't good. We have like some foundations over here that we've went through. Yes.
Where do you want this picture at? If you were gonna have it anywhere.
We're editing the makeup collection in the middle, but kind of like shrink it down. Yeah, a little. And then up toward the top. Perfect. Because then it'll be like makeup collection.
And everything else around.
Yes, please. Okay, so now tell me again what you were saying.
Here's how this is gonna work. I'm gonna hold up a loose powder. You're gonna tell me if you've used it in the past 6 months. The answer is no. It is either going in the trash or it is going into the friends and family.
Okay, in my defense, I have not had any of this stuff in my actual room. So let's just, don't worry, I'm not gonna do a lot, but let's just go. Okay.
Laura Mercier glow powder. Do you want to keep it?
I do want to keep the glow one.
Well,
I got that from Influencer.
Laura Mercier Absolute Glow.
Lancome, but yes, I want to keep that. I do love that.
We are off to an amazing start.
Hey now, I got these. Okay.
Okay. Bye bye pores.
No, I will get rid of that. Friends and family donate, pal. Don't still watch it, or do you want it?
No. It's hard pan.
No. Dang it. Okay.
Some stuff is hard pan. Okay, this ochre powder also hard pan.
Aaron's making me feel real terrible.
I'm just picking out what I know is
okay, I don't want that, so just don't even test it.
Like, you want these things smaller.
Okay, we'll come back.
we have one brush trash.
One brush
I
trash.
just take like one. If
We've
you got
moved
one that's
in.
kind of big on the head.
Kind of.
You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
I love a big head.
Snow's trying to take some brushes. Okay, we're gonna eat, and then we'll come back. So we got more piles over here. We're so tired. Now we're gonna work on eyeliners. So some of the eyeliners that I have, I know that I probably won't use, so they might be better off being given to other people. Like these are like metallic-y. This like green, I know I probably won't wear, so we're just being
Cutthroat.
we're just being cutthroat because at this point I can only keep so many. Okay, so I think I did pretty well. I do really like the Milk Makeup eyeliners, and then also the It Cosmetics. I'm keeping that, and then over here is like my giveaway declutter pal. Okay, now we're going to be going through eye toppers. So these are going to be getting all decluttered. Yep. Y'all, look at this progress. Oh my gosh. I literally just took my roller skates off of here and like, look at all that dust where I haven't cleaned. Oops. We're doing it.
15 hours.
Yeah, 15 hours in. Next, we got to move this container over here into that closet over there. Whoo! Oh my gosh, y'all. I mean,
Well,
this is a lot of stuff.
You could probably fit.
This is the stuff I'm getting rid of. So I'm making this closet like my giveaway closet. Hopefully we can get the light up in here. Oh, it's kind of squeaky. Anyways, this is going to be where I put new products for you guys when they come in for giveaways. I'm going to like label everything. So I'm very excited about this. And it's more useful space of this closet. All right, we got Aaron working. You can't really see it's dark in here, but whatever. We got lots of stuff for giveaways, and we are doing little sticky notes for them. That way I can keep them organized. Okay, you guys, so it's 3 a.m. You know, we started this 9 o'clock yesterday morning, and we haven't stopped. These are separated between stuff for friends, family, keeping, and donation. Some I can't even freaking speak. I'm so tired. Over here, that's completely empty. All those are completely empty. We have started sticky notes in there, and then all this is, I mean, it just needs work, but I mean, okay, so we start at 10, so 7 hours. So we've been doing this for what, like 17 hours? Oh my God, that is awful. Well, we'll update you in the morning. Woo! Okay, you guys, so a lot of you guys may not know this, but my beauty room is actually one of the old living rooms in the front of our house. We have a living room on the other side that we use for the living room. Anyways, this is the progress. I'm trying to set up a new film area. So we have some stuff going on over here. We cleaned up this side. Got Erin over here. She has done an amazing job doing giveaway drawers. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And we went to IKEA today. So right now we are building this pack system for the makeup. So this is the middle of the pack system. I'm so excited for it. Okay, I wanted to show you a little bit of progress. So we have started, let me see if I can zoom out. Woo! The pack system. This is kind of our current situation. This over here is my actual makeup collection, which we think that it's going to be fitting very well in all of this. So I'm very excited. Then again, the giveaway stuff, filming setup. So it's a situation. We got Erin in here.
I'm running a full-blown operation.
She's posting some things that I recently purchased that I'm trying to sell that I've decided not to keep. Got a ladder, so we will keep on updating y'all as this transformation becomes available.
Erin Cam. So it's 2 in the morning. We are making so much progress. I'm going to show you what the floor looks like. So that's Danielle. This is the floor. This is everything. Look at this, you guys. These are 2 Alex drawers. Just the giveaways for you. You're not gonna see all that, but this is what we got going on. Fortunately, I go home tomorrow, so we better get this done. Alright, you guys, I think this will be my last check-in, but Danielle has officially moved her makeup desk to the center of the room. So now what she's gonna do is like shop my stash type stuff where she'll get ready and just pull everything. Behind me is where she's gonna film, and then I'm not gonna show you the beautifulness that is the pack system to my right, but before I go to the airport I'm gonna show you all this and it's gonna be cleared.
Giving you an update. You'll see the finished product probably in like a beauty room tour, but so everything's looking like right now. And then we have the giveaway section and it's all like organized. So we have miscellaneous, lips and eyes, sheet mask, and then we have like drawers like eyeliners, ColourPop stuff for giveaways. I'm really happy with how this turned out, and I have something stuck down here, so someone's gonna have to help me fix that drawer. But yeah, so far it's come along pretty nicely. Day 4.
I'm envisioning like what I'm doing right now as like music and say coming soon. All of that is skincare and it's labeled. I'm about to go to the airport, gonna go back to Philly, but can't wait until you guys see this entire changed room. It's really great. Danielle's a great person. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Okay guys, so this is basically like my filming room. Some things aren't completely put all back together. So, you know, we have the mirror here, a drawer that I have to work on. I'm not going to show you guys too much because I think I might actually be doing a beauty room tour, but I will go ahead and show you my pack system. Not all the way put together, but I'll show you like an overview of it. So here's what it all looks like. I'm so excited. I know that I showed a couple like sneak peeks or whatnot on my Instagram last night, but I'll show you a few more here. I'm actually using our little good thing for the filming because as you can tell, my filming skills weren't great in this other video. But we have some more drawers that we have ordered. They didn't have the clear ones. Like this one right here is a clear one, and then all the way on the side, every other one's gonna be clear, but they didn't have that. And yes, there's still a trash bag over there in the corner. But yeah, so once it's all done, I will do a beauty room tour. If I end up changing like anything in the pack system, like the displays and stuff, I'll do like an update, beauty room tour, and then new makeup collection with all the stuff that I've decluttered. And then I'm still figuring out a little bit about this new setup. It's kind of hard to envision, but it's going to be like a caddy corner setup. And I have these palettes sitting right here that are waiting for my ColourPop drawer. And then here is like the giveaway closet. We have some of my PR packages up top. Then we have like all of the skincare giveaways, and then we have all of the drawers. And then to the left in this closet, and sorry the lighting's a little bit dark, those are all my brushes. So yeah, I will be keeping you guys updated. And thanks so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video.